Hi everyone! Did you know that social distancing and virtual apartment tours are the new cool? They totally are here at Camp Hill Plaza Apartments, and I'm here to tell you all about our one-bedroom floor plan. In this particular apartment, we have just come in through the front door. Right here is our living room, and as you can see, we've painted a lovely accent wall we call Latte in your living room and in your dining room. When you first come in, you're gonna have a great coat closet right here. Alrighty. Some of our apartments have these awesome LED ceiling fans. Some have a traditional ceiling fan. Either way, you'll have one in your dining room. Some of our apartments also offer a patio. So check this out. You'll have another private entrance with a really huge patio out back. Okay, awesome, awesome. Moving right into our kitchen. Some of our kitchens are galley style, just like you see here. Some run in a different direction. Some are an L shape, but all have exactly what you need, all of your essentials, and good counter space. Gas cooking. Okay, so we're gonna move back here. One-bedroom apartments have amazing storage. This is a huge walk-in closet for a one-bedroom apartment, as you can see. Alrighty, bathroom is here. Again, everything you need. Nice and bright, pretty gray tile. And we move into the bedroom, okay? Again, awesome size, and you guessed it, another huge walk-in closet. So if you're looking for a one-bedroom apartment, no, don't want to forget this nice little linen closet here. If you're looking for a one-bedroom apartment in an amazing location with an award-winning office and maintenance staff, you have found it at Camp Hill Plaza. Please contact us. We hope to see you virtually very soon.